Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about the cardiovascular system. So what is the cardiovascular system? The cardiovascular system is made up of the heart and blood vessels. From the image on the right, you can see that the heart is the muscular portion. Meanwhile, the blood vessels are the tubular portions. The blood vessels include the arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries are the red-colored blood vessels, and they deliver blood from the heart to the tissues and organs. Meanwhile, veins are the blue-colored blood vessels, and they do the opposite function of arteries. They bring blood from the tissues and organs back into the heart. Finally, we have capillaries. Capillaries are not shown in this image because they are too small to be seen. Capillaries are thin-walled blood vessels where transport of gases and nutrients between the blood and tissues take place. Now we'll talk a little bit about the function of the heart and blood vessels. The heart is the actual pump that allows blood to circulate within the body. Meanwhile, the blood vessels are transport tubes that transport nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and waste to tissues and organs. So your body needs oxygen to function properly. Blood carries oxygen and provides it to your tissues and organs. When your tissues have extracted all of the oxygen from the blood, it will need a new supply. Therefore, blood comes back to the heart to be pumped into the lungs to get a new supply of oxygen. The 4 chambers of the heart allow it to pump blood both to the lungs as well as to the rest of the body. First, we have the right atrium, which is where blood returning from tissues and organs drain into. Blood from the right atrium is then pumped into the right ventricle. The right ventricle then pumps this blood into the lungs for oxygenation. This is where the blood will get its new fresh supply of oxygen. The freshly oxygenated blood from the lungs will then return to the heart by going into the left atrium. Oxygenated blood from the left atrium is then pumped into the left ventricle. The left ventricle pumps this oxygenated blood into the rest of the body for tissues and organs to use. Now that you know how the cardiovascular system works, let's tie this all together by doing a cardiovascular workout. Cardiovascular workouts help to improve and maintain proper blood circulation and the pumping function of the heart. Examples of cardiovascular workouts include walking, running, jump rope, swimming, riding a bike, dancing, or martial arts.